Okay, real talk. If your recruiting agency is still tracking leads and clients in spreadsheets, we need to talk because I've seen what those spreadsheets looks like after a few months. 47 tabs, color codes that made sense once, but now nobody knows what red means. Notes like call back Thursday. Wait, but which Thursday? Last week's Thursday or last month's Thursday? It's chaos. And the worst part? Leads slip through the cracks. Money walks out of the door and everyone is stressed. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem under 10 minutes. Now, let's do it. So, here's what I keep seeing. This is how most agencies track their leads. Look at this. Names everywhere. Some have emails, some don't. Status says interested, but interested when? Last week or last year? And follow-ups? Someone need to call John back. Cool. Who's someone? When? What about? Nobody knows. And then a month later you realize, wait, did anyone ever call John back? No one called John back. John signed with another agency. And it's not because your recruiters are bad. It's because the system, the spreadsheet, was designed to fail. You can't run a real business on hopes and color codes. You need a system that works. And good news, it costs you nothing. What I'm about to show you is called HubSpot. It's a CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Fancy words for a place where you track all your leads and deals without losing your mind. HubSpot has a free version, and for most agencies, the free version is more than enough. So, let me walk you through exactly how to set this up. You can follow along if you want. First, go to HubSpot.com, click Get Started Free. You'll sign up with your email, create a password, all that usual stuff. They'll ask you some question about your business. Just answer honestly, it doesn't matter too much. Skip anything that asks you to pay. We're staying on the free plan. Once you're in, you'll see this dashboard. Looks a little overwhelming at first, ignore most of it. We only care about two things today, contacts and deals. That's it. Okay, on the left side, you'll see these menu items. Contacts, this is where your leads and clients live. Deals, this is your pipeline where you track the status of each opportunity. That's all you need to focus on right now. Everything else, marketing tools, reports, blah blah blah, just ignore it. We will use it maybe later, but not today. Today we will build a simple pipeline that actually works. Now, let's build your pipeline. Click on Deals in the menu. You'll see something that looks like a board with columns. Each column is a stage. It's basically where is the deal right now. By default, HubSpot gives you some random stages. We're going to rename them and to make our own. Here you can see deal pipeline. It's the name of the pipeline, default pipeline. Click on edit pipeline. Now we are going to rename each one of the stages to make our own. The first stage, we will name it as new leads. This is for someone who just came in and you haven't talked to them yet. Stage 2, we will name it as contacted. You've reached out to them, email, call, whatever, and you are waiting to hear back from them. Stage 3, we will name it as interested. It's for the people who responded, who they are interested, and there's a real conversation happening. And the stage 4, we will name it as negotiating. You're talking details with them, pricing, terms, and you're close to a deal. Stage 5, we're going to name it as closed won. They're signed, they're your clients, and money is in the bank. And the last stage, we will name it as closed loss. They've said no, or they ghost it. Either way, it's done. That's it. Stick 6 stages. Clean, simple. Everyone on your team knows exactly what each one means. Now, just hit save. Okay, now let's add a lead. Go to contacts. Click on create contact. Okay. Add their info in this form, their email, first name, last name. Let's say their email is abc@gmail.com. You will add their email, the email of your lead. First name, you will add their first name, for example, John. And last name, you will add their last name, let's say Smith. Okay, now the contact owner is going to be you, of course. Job title, if you know, like there, for example, John Smith is the owner, then I will write owner here. You can add the phone number if you have it, and then just done. Just click create. Now this person exists in your system. You can see their full history, every email, every note, every call in one place. No more digging through the spreadsheet trying to find that one conversation that you had 3 weeks ago. It's all gonna be here. Now, let's attach this person to a deal. Go to deals. Just click add deals and then create new. You will add the name of the deal, usually the company's name or the person's name. I'm writing John Smith. Select the pipeline you just created. For me, it's deal pipeline. And add the deal stage. Let's say new lead. Okay. Now attach the contact we just created. And now hit create. Look at that. Now you can see this deal sitting in your pipeline. When you reach out to them, drag it to contacted. When they respond, drag it to interested. And when they sign, drag it to closed won. It's literally just drag and drop. Your whole team sees the same board. Nobody's confused. Nothing gets forgotten. Now, imagine this with 20 leads, 50 leads, 100 leads. All organized, all trackable. Open your HubSpot, see exactly where everything stands. You're not guessing anymore, you're running a real business with a real system. And it took like 10 minutes to set up for free. So, that's it. That's how you set up a free CRM for your recruiting agency. No more spreadsheet chaos, no more lost leads, no more trying to remember things like, wait, who was supposed to call John? Just a clean, simple system that actually works. Now, if you watched this and thought, cool, this is cool, but I don't want to build it myself, don't worry, I got you covered. I build this for recruiting agencies. I'll set up your CRM, build your pipelines, even add automations that send follow-ups for you. If you want that, link is in the description to book a call. And if you found this helpful, subscribe. I'm posting this kind of stuff every week. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to automate follow-up emails so you don't have to remember to call John back again. See you in that one.